Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and in today's video I'm going to show you 3 widgets you should have on your home screen. So in order to add any widget, we'll need to hold our finger onto the screen and go to widgets like this. And from this list we can pick whichever widget we want and add it to our screen. So let me show you 3 of the, I think, most useful. So the first one would be the calendar, and it's this option 4x2. You just hold your finger onto it and place it to the screen whenever you want. And you can also increase its size by just dragging it to the one side of the screen like that. And the most useful thing about this calendar is that you can add the notifications or notes to yourself when you need to. So for example, right here I will add the shopping list, because today I want to buy a cabbage, so I will just write the shopping list. And this will be the name of this note. I can select and enable the setting to remind me of it all day. I can choose the location, for example, shop in which I will be shopping. I can add a family so other people can see what I have in my shopping list. I can set a reminder that phone will remind me day before I'm going to the shop. And you can do the custom notification, so you can set any day or any hour before reminding that. You can set it to repeat, so if you want this shopping list to happen every day, you can press every day, every week, every month, every year. It's your choice. And you can add notes, and here we're gonna add what I'm gonna buy using this shopping list. So I just want 2 cabbage 2 times. And the last option is to invite, and here you can write an email or name, or choose the people from your contacts to add to as well. After you've set up everything, press save, and you will have the event right here. So that's the calendar. We can remove that for now. Remove. And now to add another one, and this will be the simple Google search button. Add. We already have it here. And what it does, it basically takes every function from Google. You just press on it and start searching for anything you want to find on Google. You can press on this microphone to search something by a voice, or just do the image scan as well. So that's pretty useful when you forget where you put your Google icon and you can't find the app anymore. The next and the last widget I'm gonna show you is weather. So let's just add one. It's at the bottom right here, and there's 4 options. There's 2x2, 2x2 again, but different icon, actually without icon, 3x3, and 4x1. I'm gonna add 2x2 because I like this blue. In this example it's blue, the background. When you'll be adding it, you'll be able to choose in which city you live. It will tell you the weather. What's the weather there? So I'm gonna choose the Krakow because I live here, and I can already see there's 3 Celsius and in Krakow 7.2 AM. And here you can, if you press on it, you can see updated weather and weather for every day or a specific hour. So that's pretty handy if you're planning to go outside. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.